Senior All-Party Hurriyat Conference leader and Democratic Freedom Party chairman Shabbir Shah has said that the targeted killing of Kashmiri Pandits by unknown assailants is a deep-rooted conspiracy aimed at paving the way for genocide of Kashmiri Muslims by Hindutva forces in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Shabbir Shah said this in a statement from New Delhi's Tihar jail, which was released by his party in Srinagar. He said the recent spot in violence against Pandit minority community across the Kashmir Valley is a replica of the wicked plan that then Governor of Jammu and Kashmir Mohan Bhagwat had put in practice in 1989 to malign the Kashmiris' indigenous struggle for freedom. Referring to the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's statement, the APHC leader said that Bhagwat had stated publicly that the only solution to the Kashmir problem was the change in the demography, a clear reference to the genocide of the Kashmiri Muslims. Religious leaders at a meeting in Srinagar unanimously passed a resolution condemning the BJP government's conspiracy to create an environment of fear and insecurity by killing Kashmiri Pandits under the guise of unknown assailants to put blame on Kashmiri freedom fighters. The leaders called for unity among all local communities to thwart evil designs of the divisive forces. Meanwhile, Indian police arrested 3 youth during house raids in different areas of Ramban, Udhampur and Kashtwar districts of Jammu region. The detained youth were identified as Muhammad Ramzan Suhail, Khurshid Ahmed, Nisar Ahmed Khan and Talib Hussain. India's dreaded state investigation agency also conducted house raids at various locations in the border Poonch district. On the other hand, posters have appeared in Srinagar and other areas to record the Kashmiris' protests against the divisive policies being pursued by the BJP and RSS in Kashmir. The posters displayed by the Jammu and Kashmir Political Resistance Movement and other pro-freedom organizations warned that the targeting of Kashmiri youth by Indian Hindutva rulers poses a grave threat to peace in the region. On the World Environment Day today, experts have warned of environmental disaster with the arrival of tens of thousands of Hindus in the name of Amarnath Yatra in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. They deplored that ignoring the threats, Modi government is adamant on holding the yatra from June 30th in the occupied territory. Hurriyat leader Altaf Ahmad Wani, while expressing concern in a tweet, said that with the rise of majoritarian and Hindu fascist policies in India, the systematic and massive increase in the number of Amarnath pilgrims in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has put the already vulnerable environment of the occupied territory in great peril. Ahead of 38th anniversary of Operation Blue Star, more than 6,000 Indian troops have been deployed in Amritsar district of Indian Punjab to target the Sikh youth. Anniversary of the operation is being observed tomorrow on June 6th. Shutdown will be observed on that day. Azadi March has also been announced to be taken by Sikh representative organization Dal Khalsa. In view of the protest call, police and paramilitary forces have put up blockades on every road leading to the Golden Temple. Vehicles of any kind are prohibited from going towards the Golden Temple.